Major. Get your truck. Come here. Come on. Watch your step. You got your truck? Where do you want to go? Go ahead.
Come on. Drop it, Jan.
Come here, mate. Come on, we'll go back here. Good boy. Good catch.
Go. Fall.
Ah, good boy. Good job. You got your little truck? And he has noticed his wheels on things. Like he was playing with the big truck for a long time with the wheels.
Ah.
What? You want me to show you how it goes? Ready? Remember? Watch. Wait. Here. Remember? It hit your toesies. I love that. Is that funny? What do you think?
Oh, he's trying to do it.
Trying to do it. Wow.
Count to 10, Major. Look, oh, he's never done that before. Wow.
Wow.
He's starting to figure things out. Good boy.
He's starting to copy.
Yeah, he is. He doesn't know how to make it go, but that's hilarious.
Good job.
What, is it frustrated?
Oh boy. You gonna stand up?